and then give it the power. Okay. Okay. So could you just time me maybe for? Yeah, I got your time. So I'm gonna give you about a 4-minute call, and then you can kind of assess from there. Okay. Set it up as if you're going to land.
Okay, I'm going to go around just for an approach and then set up like a landing.
Trim it down so you know how much down you need.
Start your turn, make it gentle and keep the power on. Keep the power. Keep the turn. More turn. More turn. That? Yeah. Hold it right there. Okay. Start leveling it out. Keep the power until I tell you start powering down. Okay. Line it up. Start powering down slowly. A little bit of power. Up, 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 up. Okay, level it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold the power. Hold the power. Okay. Start slowly powering back. Right